Hello friends, welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we are going to discover the magic of English vowel sounds. Are you ready to have some fun? Yes.
Yes, let's do it.
Let's say their names together. A, E, I, O and U. Cat.
Cat,
With the word A, let's see badge,
badge,
cap,
cap,
hat,
hat,
jag,
jag,
pan,
pan,
sang.
sang.
Awesome. Now let us see about flood,
Flood,
funny,
funny,
hug,
hug,
must,
must,
puddle,
puddle,
tongue.
tongue.
Awesome. Now let us see farm,
Farm,
bard,
bird,
ark,
ark,
bath,
bath,
cart,
cart,
guard,
guard,
heart,
heart,
park,
park,
part,
part,
star.
star,
Awesome. Now let us see bird,
bird,
burn,
bird,
birth,
bird,
curd,
girl,
gird,
girl,
herd,
herd,
purse,
purse,
quirk.
quirk,
Awesome. Now let's see with E or A. Bread,
bread,
end,
and
bed,
bed,
kettle,
kettle,
head,
herd,
head,
head,
mend,
mend,
pet,
pet,
spend,
spend,
wet.
wet,
Awesome. Now let's go with green,
green,
big,
big,
disc,
disc,
hid,
hid,
hicks,
hick,
lift,
lift,
list,
list,
miss,
miss,
mist,
mist,
sit.
sit,
Awesome. Now let's go to O. Doctor,
doctor,
bond,
bond,
cop,
cop,
god,
god,
jock,
jock,
non,
no,
smoke,
smoke,
want.
want,
Now let us see salt,
salt,
board,
board,
chalk,
chalk,
door,
door,
drawn,
drawn,
law,
law,
more,
more,
stork,
stork,
dot,
dot,
quart.
quart.
Awesome. Now let us learn book.
Book.
Put.
Put.
Woman.
Woman.
Goodness.
Goodness.
Could.
Could.
Look.
Look.
Should.
Should.
Cook.
Cook.
Awesome. Now let's go to school. Food.
Food.
Blue.
Blue.
Fruit.
Fruit.
Chew.
Chew.
Lose.
Lose.
Boot.
Boot.
To.
To.
Group.
Group.
Through.
Through.
Awesome. Thanks for learning with us at Mom and Me Fun Factory. If you enjoyed today's vowel adventure, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.